Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat take up less storage. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, we need to open Snapchat, and here we need to click on our profile picture in the top left corner to open our profile. And from our profile we simply need to go to the settings, clicking on the settings button in the top right corner. Now we need to scroll down a little bit the options until we will find privacy controls section and clear data option in it. Click on it, and here basically all I have to do to make Snapchat take up less storage is to simply clear the cache of the application first of all. So confirm the action clearing the cache, and then we need to restart the Snapchat. So go back to the Snapchat, go back to your profile and open settings once again. So as we cleared up the cache of the application, we already made Snapchat took less storage. But moreover, you can also scroll down a little bit the Snapchat settings and go to the data saver and turn on this option and choose here until turned off. So basically data saver will also make Snapchat took less storage, took less data from your internet. And basically that's it. That is how you can make Snapchat take less storage. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.